Hi all CA final students. Today we're going to see what strategy should you use for your CA final November 24 exams, especially FR. Remember guys, FR is your first paper. It sets the tone for the rest of the papers and I'm hoping you're fully prepared, but the last 1 week is very crucial. Now what we are going to do is, November 3rd is your exam. What is the strategy in the last 1 week? How should you approach this last few days to make the best out of it? This is my strategy, my opinion. It is not fixed as to this is what you have to follow. Of course it is flexible. You can make changes based on your needs. Okay, I'm only going to give you a rough overview. Now November 2nd I'm excluding in my strategy because November 2nd I call it as a revision day. Basically whatever you study before, on November 2nd you will do a full revision again. You will do a full revision guys. Now, so I'm taking 27th October to 1st November, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 1, which is basically 6 days plus another 1 day November 2nd. So you have basically 7 days to study for FR. If you think it is too much, you can reduce it by 1 or 2 days, but don't reduce it less than 5 days guys. Minimum 5 days is needed. Up to 7 you can go there. If you study even 13 hours per day, reasonable number, into 7 days, 90 hours. You are going to do an FR crash course again. Nobody can give you less than 90 marks. Okay, come down. What is the strategy over here? Before I come to the strategy, for us we are going to use a 6 plus 1 day strategy. 6 days of full revision plus 1 day of again second revision. I have broken down the syllabus, a little bit blurred but manage guys. I have broken down the syllabus into 4 parts for you to easily attack them. Set 1, set 2, set 3 and set 4. Set 1 is all the asset based standards that we have. Set 3 is all the liability based standards that we have. You can see the numbers over there. You know what they are. Okay, these are the easy ones where not much complication is there. Set 2 is where I have the financial instruments fully, your leases, EPS, share based payments and revenue, all the complicated ones. And set 4 is where I have a little bit of theory and our business combination and consolidation. So how do we tackle? Initially we need some confidence, correct? So the first 3 days you will complete full set 1. Set 1 and set 3 you will knock it off, all the asset and liability based standard. Why are we doing this first? Because these comes in other chapters. We will knock it off in the first 3 days. But sir, do these topics deserve 3 days towards the exam? Not really. So what we will do in the first 3 days, apart from knocking out set 1 and set 3, in the first 3 days you will also study every day for 3 to 4 hours financial instruments and revenue alone, because this is itself will comprise 25 to 30 marks. So financial instruments and revenue, you will start off from day 1 slowly. First 3 days you will study financial instruments and revenue. So by end of 3 days you are done with entire set 1 and set 3, and set 2 financial instruments and revenue also you have a head start. Next 3 days you will do the balance of set 2. I will do the balance of set 2 and spend a lot of time in business combination and consolidation. Here basically what we are doing is not all the 100 sums. Effectively you would have saved 20 unique problems. You will go through those sums and solve a few. If you have the time, from the first day itself you can daily solve one sum in business combination or the consolidation. Okay, this is the plan for 6 days, what I feel, because we will keep the business combination consolidation to the last 3 days and spend a lot of time in the last 3 days on that. This is the plan for the first 6 days. 7th day you will again revise. Now coming to all 6 days, mandatory you have to do these 2 things. Daily 2 hours. You anyway know the syllabus. Practice MCQ from whichever source, whichever material you have. Practice MCQs end of the day as a boost for you. And daily 1 hour or at least 30 minutes learn theory, your technology, ethics, all of that. If 1 hour you feel is too much, daily half an hour you will learn theory. These are the things that you will do every day. And then remember guys, set 2 and set 4 is the key for our syllabus. That's why I've given that lot of time. Effectively out of 6 days, 4 days will be for set 2 and set 4 again plus revision. but this is how you approach the syllabus. Feel free to make changes. If you think there is any other strategy that you think will work for students, let us know in the comments also. Of course, like I said, there is no single strategy that works. It is customizable. If you have your own thing, please follow that. This is only for you to have a head start, and all the best for the exams, guys. Thank you.